Hi family, welcome to Original Detailing. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your door panels. This door panel has plastic, leather and plastic. So just to be on the safe side, I am going to use the leather cleaner. Now the leather cleaner is pH balanced for any type of leather, doesn't matter the color, so it's going to be really safe for the entire door. What I'm going to do is first I want to put a tape, show you guys the difference here. Let me grab my tape. And we're gonna put tape on this. Put some tape right there. Hopefully this lets me put tape the entire vehicle. I can show you the difference. There you go. Now I'm gonna start with the leather cleaner just to start cleaning this area and start removing whatever dirt, body oils, from your elbow and anything that's in it. So we're gonna start with the leather cleaner. You spray enough. And I'm also gonna prime my brush. Put some sprays on it and start agitating. Now you will immediately see there's dirt on this. You can see it right away. Those suds don't look like they don't look that clear, so they look dark. That means it's dirty. So I'm gonna spray a little more on this on my brush and a little bit more here on the leather side, which looks like it's the more affected one. You will definitely see a big difference on this once we're done. Like I said, now as you guys can see, the leather cleaner is not going to remove any dye or anything from your leather. It's just cleaning it. So once you're done agitating, you're going to grab a microfiber towel. Now this is our just a regular microfiber towel that we have in our website, and it's for like an all-purpose microfiber towel. I want to wipe as much as I can from here and remove as much dirt as I can and show you. So there you go. It's pretty dirty. Once it's completely dry, I do want to put some dressing on this, but I also want to use a little bit of leather conditioner just for the leather. So let me keep wiping as much as I can from here. My tape is trying to go away. Try to keep it there. Now you can definitely see a difference. Like even this leather looks cleaner than this already. This looks dry, and it's probably a bunch of dirt from just leaning on that. So I'm gonna do the plastic part first. I'm gonna use the all-purpose microfiber applicator and the Extreme Tire and Trim Shine. So I'm gonna spray a little bit on my applicator here. Now this is safe on leather too, so I'm gonna apply it on the leather this time, but I usually like to apply some leather conditioner on this. Now you can apply some more leather conditioner on top of it. Leather, this is what I'm gonna use for now. So I like this applicator because it's got a little handle on it. Really easy. We're getting deliveries here, so it got dark for a second. There you go. Keep applying here. The line here is trying to disappear, so I'm gonna try to apply this as much as I can and as deep as I can in there. Now this will give you UV protection too, so it will keep the sun from destroying your plastics and drying them even more. And the best thing about it is that it is a water-based formula, so it'll be dry to the touch. All right, so there you go. Now it is dry to the touch. It looks really good. It looks like brand new. So I'm gonna remove the tape so you guys can check it out. Now you can see there's a huge difference on it. This is a restored area. It looks like brand new. and this is the dirty area, which I still have to clean up. Now, if you guys have any more questions about the products that we use, like leather cleaner and the dressing that we put on this, you can always leave us a comment, or you can always go to our website, originaldetailing.com.